are going to trace Hello Kitty and learn how to draw. First, draw her ear and outline the face. Draw another ear. Draw her iconic ribbon on one side of the ear. And 3 whiskers on each side. Then draw her eyes and cute nose. Then outline her body. And draw her feet. Draw her arms. Color her face, body, arms, and feet with white. Color her ribbon and clothes with fuchsia. Nose with yellow. Hello Kitty is done. Hello. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.